Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PageSpeed Insights to Webflow projects for improvements. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect PageSpeed Insights to your Webflow projects, start by opening your Webflow project dashboard. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on the settings icon. In the settings menu, locate and select the SEO tab. Scroll down to find the custom code section. Here, you'll need to add a script to your site. Open a new tab and go to the PageSpeed Insights website. Enter your Webflow project's URL into the input field and click Analyze. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see your performance scores. Take note of the recommendations listed by PageSpeed Insights. Return to your Webflow project settings and paste the modifications you want to implement into the custom code area. Always use caution while making changes to ensure that you don't disrupt your site layout or functionality. After pasting your script, scroll down and click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, publish your Webflow project to see the updates live. After publishing, run another analysis on your PageSpeed Insights to check for improvements. Review the new performance scores and ensure you've addressed the highlighted recommendations. If necessary, make further adjustments in your Webflow project based on the feedback received. Repeat the testing process as needed to achieve optimal performance scores. By following these steps, you can effectively connect PageSpeed Insights to enhance your Webflow project's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.